Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 10.1 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to AlmaLinux OS official website and download. It is almalinux.org. Then click on download or download, both are same. See here we don't have the 10.1. Generally we'll have the latest version here, but we don't have, so click on blog. Then see here it is loading, click on continue reading. See here we have the general availability of AlmaLinux 10.1. Then see here we have the AlmaLinux OS 10.1 stable now available. See here following are the ISOs. So click on Intel or AMD x86-64 to download. Then select the any one of these mirrors. From this list you can select any one of these mirrors. Then see here we have the boot ISO, DVD ISO, minimal ISO. We have different, and if you want to download by using torrent you have to click on this one. Okay, I'm going to download 10.1 DVD ISO. See here it is DVD ISO. This is the latest one. I'm going to download this DVD ISO. Click on it to download. No need to restart. See, download started and its size is about 8.3 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMWare workstation. Okay. Now click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Next, now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse to select the downloaded ISO image. Go to downloads. See here I have the AlmaLinux OS 10.1 DVD ISO. Select it, click on open, click on next. Now provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Name can be anything. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. So by clicking on this browse button, then select the path where you have the enough space. Now I am giving hard disk as 50 gigabytes. This is based on availability and requirement. Okay, click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. Okay, if you want to customize any one of these options, click on customize. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware. Then use this pointer to move up or down, or you can provide memory here in megabytes. Okay. And in display, I want to select this accelerate 3D graphics. For me it is not working. Okay, so click on close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Okay, click on finish. Still you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click on this virtual machine and select settings. And if you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install AlmaLinux OS 10.1 and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See here the begin installation is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So click on installation destination. I'm okay with the default, so click on done. Root account, by default it is disabled. I want to enable. Then set the password for this root account. Confirm the same. Then if you want to allow root SSH login with password, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on done. User creation, I'm giving user full name as R2 Schools, and this is a username. And if you want to add administrative privileges to this user account, you have to keep the checkbox. Then set the password for this user. Then click on done. Now go to software selection. See, by default it is server with GUI. If you want only server, you have to select this one. If you want minimal install, you have to select this one. Okay, these are the different options based on the space environment. These are the additional softwares. Like if you want to install DNS name server, you have to select this radio check boxes. Okay, click on done. Review the settings one more time, like time and date, keyboard. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video, and then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the first installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on reboot system. Click on username and provide the password that we have set for this user. Skip. Now open terminal, increase the font size, more /etc os-release. See, we have installed 10.1. Okay, Qt. So in this video we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 10.1 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.